guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 beauty products from medical stores in India. I already have 2 videos on the same topic. I'm going to leave the links to both of them in the description box below, so you can check them out after watching this video. So the products that I'm going to be talking about are not necessarily like beauty products, but you can use them for a lot of beauty uses. So without any further ado, let me quickly share with you my top 5 picks from medical stores in India.
Before I start off with the video, I quickly wanted to share with you this amazing new discovery that I recently made. This is Fur by PSafe Hair Color Shampoo. This is India's first hair color shampoo with Olive Active Omega Plus, and apart from that it contains some amazing ingredients like hibiscus, shikakai, natural noni fruit and bhringraj, which all provide nourishment to your hair while coloring it. And the best part is that it's stain free, cruelty free, PTD free and ammonia free. This is in the shade Natural Black and it contains 5 sachets in there. So this is a hair color which you can use to cover up the grey hair, and it's in the form of a shampoo, which is a very new concept. They also send you gloves in the package which you can wear and then apply the hair color. So you want to cut off the sachet and pour the hair color into a clean container. I've used a plastic container here, and then I'm just mixing the hair color really well to ensure everything is combined together. And then you want to start applying the hair color on your grey hair right from the roots. Make sure that you apply the hair color within just 3 to 4 minutes of mixing it. And after applying the hair color, you want to massage it into your scalp and then wait for about 10 minutes. So I'm setting a 10-minute timer right here. And after that I'm rinsing off the hair color shampoo. I'm not going to be using any other shampoo. I'm just rinsing it off with plain water. And voila, in just 10 minutes you can cover up all of your grey hair. That's how easy, quick and convenient it is to use this Fur by PSafe hair color shampoo. I highly recommend you check this out if you have grey hair. The links to purchase this is mentioned in the description box below.
So the first product that I have is this Caladryl lotion. This is a skin allergy expert lotion and it provides extreme soothing and extreme calming effect on your skin. If you have any allergies, if you have any skin irritation, mosquito bites, boils, inflammation, or even marks on your skin like chickenpox marks or acne marks or any boil marks or anything on your skin, this helps to deal with all of that. It calms and soothes your skin down, and it also helps to fade away the marks and bring back your skin to its natural color. You can also use this on sunburns and on inflamed skin and also on acne. It provides a very soothing and a very calming effect. This retails for rupees 83, I believe, for 125 ml of product. The second product that I have with me is this Candid Dusting Powder. Again, this is an expert skin solution for a lot of skin problems. It's very similar to the Caladryl lotion, but that's in the form of a lotion and this is in the form of a powder. This helps you with fungal infections on your body skin due to excessive sweating or excessive moisture accumulation. It also helps with prickly heat, like if heat is a concern for you, if you get itching on your skin or boils or rashes on your skin due to heat, you can dust this on your body, on your back, shoulders, neck, anywhere, and it's going to provide an instant relief from that. It also helps in reducing itchiness on your intimate areas like your bikini line or maybe your underarms. If those areas itch a lot due to sweating or for whatever reason, you can apply this and it's going to provide an instant soothing effect there. Or any kind of other skin irritation like mosquito bites, rashes, boils, you can apply this and it's gonna like calm your skin down. This retails for rupees 125 for 100 grams of product. The third product that I have is this Hyaluronic gel. Now this is a great moisturizer for oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin and for sensitive skin. It's non-oily, non-sticky, non-comedogenic, so it's not gonna clog your pores, and it's in the form of a gel, so it's very comfortable on the skin. It's very moisturizing, very hydrating, and it's got this cooling effect on your skin once you apply it. The best part about this is that it's free from any kind of color and fragrance, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It's free from all of those additional chemicals that go into building up a color and fragrance of a product. Moreover, it also claims to reduce the appearance of your pore size if you apply it religiously. I don't really use it every single day. I just use it like once in a while, so I'm not really sure about the reduction of pore size. But apart from that, it works wonderfully for my acne prone oily skin. It's very hydrating, and if you're looking for a good moisturizing gel, you can try this one out. It retails for rupees 250 for 30 grams of product. Next on my list is a moisturizer again, but this one is for dry skin. This is Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It is intensely moisturizing, intensely hydrating, and moreover it has a very long lasting moisturizing property. Like once you apply it, you won't really require a moisturizer like throughout the day. It's going to keep your skin moisturized throughout the day. It's great for dry skin. It helps to treat dry skin issues, and moreover it has no fragrance absolutely, so it's not going to irritate your skin at the same time. This is a dermat recommended moisturizer. Some people also use it on their acne prone skin and it doesn't break them out. Like I have used it on my acne prone skin and it did not cause any breakouts, but I do know of certain people who have experienced acne because of this moisturizer. So you want to do a patch test if you have acne prone skin, but if you have dry skin in general, this is going to be your holy grail moisturizer. It's very thick, it's very creamy, and it's very rich in texture. It retails for rupees 425 for 80 grams of product. The fifth and the final product on my list is again by Cetaphil. This is their Gentle Face Cleanser. I absolutely love the formulation of this cleanser. It cleanses your skin so well without ripping off the essential oils of your skin. It's non-foaming, it's non-drying, and it's very gentle on the skin. It provides a soothing effect on the skin, especially if you have sensitive or acne prone skin. This is gonna be your holy grail face wash. And the best part is that it's free from any fragrance, any color. It has no added color and fragrances. It is soap free and it's very mild, and it's perfect for acne prone skin. So no matter what skin type you have, you can use this face wash. Even for oily skin, this face wash works amazingly well. It retails for rupees 280 for 125 ml of product. Those are my top 5 beauty picks from medical stores in India. If you have tried out any of these products, then do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. And in case if you know of any products that work really well from medical stores in India, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to try them out as well. And also, if you have missed out on the part 1 and 2 of the same topic, then check out the description box below. Both of the links are mentioned there. And yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of Instagram reels there, so you might want to follow me there. And yeah, with that it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.